People think retirement looks like a beach, a giant house, a sports car, an Instagram post that says, "I made it."
But that's not what happened. At 34, you retired. And nobody noticed. Not your neighbors, not your coworkers, not even most of your friends. Because on Monday morning, you still left the house at 8. Every morning looked exactly the same. Gray hoodie, coffee, laptop bag. People assumed you still worked, and you let them. Because you learned something strange. The moment people think you have freedom, they start treating you differently. 3 years earlier, your life looked completely normal. Alarm, traffic, meetings, repeat. Every Sunday night felt exactly the same, like life was slowly being traded for deadlines. Then one day, you started asking questions. What if I need less than I think? What if retirement isn't old age? What if freedom costs less than status? So instead of upgrading your lifestyle, you started buying time. No expensive apartment, no luxury payments, no showing off. You invested, saved, built systems, worked quietly. People laughed. They said, "Live a little. You only live once." Years passed. Income grew. Expenses barely moved. Your coworkers bought bigger houses, bigger cars, bigger stress. You stayed invisible. Then one random Thursday, you opened your laptop, looked at the numbers, and realized you didn't need to work anymore. No celebration, no announcement, just silence. The next morning, you still woke up, still made coffee, still left the house. But this time, you weren't going to work. You walked, you sat, you read, you looked around. And for the first time in years, nothing was waiting for you. No meetings, no deadlines, no Sunday anxiety, just time. People still asked, "How's work?" And you smiled. Pretty normal. Because explaining freedom is exhausting. People think retirement means stopping, but real retirement means choosing. Choosing what to do. Choosing when to wake up. Choosing how to spend a Tuesday morning. And slowly, money stopped feeling important because time became more valuable. You noticed things. Sunlight, coffee, conversations, quiet mornings, your own thoughts. One day, an old coworker called. He sounded tired. He asked, "How did you do it?" You thought for a second, then said, "I never tried to look rich." Silence. Then laughter. He thought you were joking. But you weren't. Most people buy symbols. Some people buy freedom. And from the outside, they look exactly the same. That's why even today, people still think you work a normal job. They see average clothes, average days, average life. And they never realize you already escaped. Quietly. Retired at 34. And never told